Hello friends, Lou and I are on our way to Sharp Shoppers, a discount food store about an hour from our home. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with us. Can we find good deals and quality food? Let's go find out. Alright, I am on the hunt for some good deals in Sharp Shopper today, and the first good deal I'm looking at is right down here. King Arthur all-purpose flour, 5-pound bag for $2.99, and they've got quite a lot of it, so I think I might even buy this 8-pack here. Looks like I go through a lot. It's unbleached. It's not organic, but the ingredients look pretty good. There's one up here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I'm happy. This is great. Worth the trip. This store is packed today with, not necessarily with people, but with product. Tons of these Gatorade type drinks that are just so bad for you. I mean, where do you think they get those colors? They're not natural. They are not natural. Tons of waters and sodas everywhere. Lots and lots on this row. So we'll skip this one. All right, here's a really good deal on strawberries, and they are massive. Look how big they are. And they look like they are in pretty good shape. There might be one or two in there. I'm not sure. Let me see. This one looks good. I always go through my strawberries with a fine-tooth comb. No, that one's good. All right, well, I'm going to get a couple of these, but I got to take a minute to go through with them, and I won't put you through that. All right, I see my favorite organic coconut oil here. I love it here, and this is, what is that, $6.49? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, it's $6.49. And I'm going to get one of these. Okay, if you're looking for a really good olive oil, this olive oil is so good. It's really delicious, really fruity flavoring, and it's $2.99. And you have to watch out for oils these days, because what they say sometimes is an extra virgin olive oil, like for instance this, it's a blend. You have to make sure that you don't get a blend. It has to be the pure oil, and it should be one origin, just from one country. And this, I believe, let me see right here, I think it says it is 100% extra virgin olive oil, first cold extracted. You can see there, and it is from Chile. So they make a good olive oil. So I'm going to get a couple of those for $2.99. All right, here is a huge bag of wild bird feed. And that is $10, $9.99 for that bag. And then there's some up here too. What is this? Wild bird food. And this is $16.99. Yep, gotta feed the birds. I always love this aisle because it reminds me of being charitable. You know, when you're making something and you can put some of it away maybe in something like this that you can take to someone. You don't have to worry about getting your plate back, or if you want to bring a dinner or a pie or something to someone, it's always nice to have a few of these. There's 39 cents. You can't beat that. Those are $1.39 over there, those great big ones. That's like a turkey roaster size. But I'm going to spend some time here and pick up a few things. See if we need any toothpastes. What do we got here? $2.99. That's pretty good. $2.99. This whole pack is $9.99. Wow, that's pretty good. And those are big toothpaste too. Maybe I'll get one of those. We'll get the 5-pack. We save $2 if we buy it this way. So that's pretty good. All right, this is just what I need to take home, right? This great big bag of those mini Snickers for $4.99. Anybody out there want these? Here's another fun deal. This is those Keebler butter crackers. They're so good, the club crackers. And you get this beautiful tin, and it's huge, and they are $3.49. I don't know. I would suspect that if you open the lid, there'd probably be a lot of broken crackers in there, but we don't eat them. But somebody will. They got a lot here. right next to those Snickers. They keep calling my name. You know, every time I walk by the salts, they have such wonderful salts here. All kinds of flavors. Look at the colors and variations. Just beautiful. I always remind myself, I heard once, that if you are a home cook, a homemaker, you know, and you're always cooking your own food and baking your own bakery goods and your breads and all that, you are not getting the salt that is packed into all of these things. So you're likely, very likely, low salt. I know I am. And I think that's one of the reasons. So salt is important. Talk to your doctor about, you know, your salt levels, and the kind of salts that you buy are important too. Here's two interesting products that I just found. I've never seen here before. This is that cheddar cheese powder that's on those, you know, cheesy, crispy things. Believe me, everything in the ingredients, everything here is a nightmare. It's horrible. Don't ever buy that. And then this is something to pop your popcorn in. Coconut oil. And you wonder, my first question was, well, coconut oil is white. Where is the yellow coming from? And it's beta carotene, which is carrot, right? So for $3.69, you're supposed to put this in a pan and pop your popcorn in this. Have you guys ever seen this? I think it's pretty neat. But unfortunately, they don't have any organic popping corn. Just too bad. Okay, I came across these organic freezer pops, and they look delicious. 100% fruit juice, no sugar added. I checked the label, and it looks pretty clean. So I'm gonna get some. It's a good size bag, and it's $1.99, and I'll just pop them into my freezer for when the grandchildren come over. This is really one of my favorite aisles. I love looking at all the different kind of flours that they have. There's some buckwheat, all-purpose. Okay, I did buy a ton of the King Arthur all-purpose flour, so I don't need any. But I just wanted to tell you guys, I don't always buy organic. Everything doesn't have to be organic for me. First of all, you can't find it always. And second of all, it's expensive. It's so expensive. But when I find something that's organic and not too terribly expensive, then I will most likely purchase it. Oh, there's some flaxseed, golden flaxseed. I could use that. I don't know. I think I can get it cheaper, believe it or not, at Aldi. And this is such a small bag. I buy a large bag of this at Costco. Yeah, and it's cheaper. Okay, all kinds of huge bags here of wheat and oats and granulated sugar. And what is that back there? Oh, that's rolled oats. And there's some big rices down there. You can really make out here if you're careful and if you look real carefully. Do you ever think of alternative ways of sweetening your products, your baking products? Baking molasses is a great way to do it. Blackstrap molasses right here is probably your best product right there, and it is unsulfured. You always want to have unsulfured. Let's see how much that is. $3.99. Yeah, that's pretty good. I have a little bit at home. I want to use that up first. All right, I did find some flaxseed meal here. That's the red meal. And it's a pretty good price, about the same price as Aldi, maybe a little bit cheaper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that. I throw this in all kinds of things, soups and stews, and mostly my morning smoothie. Okay, here's a little something about me that I bet you don't know. I absolutely love Pop-Tarts. This one right here. Yes, I grew up on those. Oh my goodness, I could probably eat that whole box. Yes, they're so good, but they're so bad. All right, I think I'm gonna try these Lara bars. Have you guys tried the Lara bars? And these are very clean ingredients. And I think we're gonna give them a try. Actually, I'm gonna come back to these guys again. If you see these in your store, these are delicious. They are really good. So we opened a box and tested one. We'll buy it. And then if we like it, we'll buy a bunch of them. And we did. We like it a lot. So we're going to buy maybe 4 or 5 boxes of them. They're $1.99 a box. They're delicious. I love dates. All right, here's another favorite section of mine, the potato chips. I have a thing for potato chips, and I can't find any chips that are not cooked in vegetable oil, corn oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, canola oil. Nope, they're all cooked in that. So I actually tried to make my own potato chips the other day, and I did. I sliced them up in that little slicing machine that I have, if y'all have seen that. They were really thin, and I just patted them, and then I put them in some coconut oil and deep fried them, and they were delicious. Absolutely delicious. Now I don't plan on doing that and making a weekly thing out of that at all, even monthly, because they're a pain in the neck, but they were good. All right, this is just a quick lesson in nutrition here. I really don't know much about it, but I have been studying it a lot lately. These are just your average typical taco chips that you would buy off the shelf. And these are the kind of things that I'm trying to make myself more aware of. If you look down here, stone ground white corn, that's good. Vegetable oil, and then in parentheses, contains one or more of the following. And this is a nightmare. Canola, corn, cottonseed, safflower, soybean, or sunflower oils. Those oils are the GMO oils. They are the ones that cause you pain in your joints. They're not good for your heart. It's just junk. It's junk in a bag. Now, do we buy this kind of stuff once in a while? Honestly, yes, we do. But I'm trying to do less and less and less of it. So I'll take you along on that journey, little bits here and there. Well, the more I research the food we buy and read the ingredients and understand them, I'm realizing that I'm not going on any more diets. I'm going to start reaching for more nutritious foods and continue educating myself with what is in those foods. We can't be perfect all the time with our food choices, but learning as much as possible about those labels is key for me, and making many things in my own little kitchen where I control all the ingredients will work just fine. I'll see you soon back in my kitchen. Bye now, and Lord bless.